ஹாய் ஹலோ ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், இன்றைக்கி நம்ம அதுக்குள்ள பார்க்க போகிறது
Deer live in a variety of biomes, ranging from tundra to the tropical rainforest. While often associated with forests, many deer are ecotone species that live in transitional areas between forests and thickets for cover, and prairie and savanna, open space. The majority of large deer species inhabit temperate mixed deciduous forest, mountain mixed coniferous forest, tropical seasonal, dry forest, and savanna habitats around the world. Clearing open areas within forests to some extent may actually benefit deer populations by exposing the understory and allowing the types of grasses, weeds, and herbs to grow that deer like to eat. Additionally, access to adjacent croplands may also benefit deer. However, adequate forest or brush cover must still be provided for populations to grow and thrive. Deer are widely distributed, with indigenous representatives in all continents except Antarctica and Australia, though Africa has only one native deer, the Barbary stag, a subspecies of red deer that is confined to the Atlas Mountains in the northwest of the continent. An additional extinct species of deer, Megasauroids algoricus, was present in North Africa until 6,000 years ago. Fallow deer have been introduced to South Africa. Small species of brocket deer and pudus of Central and South America, and muntjacs of Asia generally occupy dense forests and are less often seen in open spaces, with the possible exception of the Indian muntjac. There are also several species of deer that are highly specialized, and live almost exclusively in mountains, grasslands, swamps, and wet savannas, or riparian corridors surrounded by deserts. Some deer have a circumpolar distribution in both North America and Eurasia. Examples include the caribou that live in Arctic tundra and taiga, boreal forests, and moose that inhabit taiga and adjacent areas. Huemule deer, taruca and Chilean huemule, of South America's Andes fill the ecological niches of the ibex and wild goat, with the fawns behaving more like goat kids. The highest concentration of large deer species in temperate North America lies in the Canadian Rocky Mountain and Columbia Mountain regions between Alberta and British Columbia, where all 5 North American deer species, white-tailed deer, mule deer, caribou, elk, and moose, can be found. This region has several clusters of national parks including Mount Revelstoke National Park, Glacier National Park, Canada, Yoho National Park, and Kootenay National Park on the British Columbia side, and Banff National Park, Jasper National Park, and Glacier National Park, US, on the Alberta and Montana sides. Mountain slope habitats vary from moist coniferous, mixed forested habitats to dry subalpine, pine forests with alpine meadows higher up. The foothills and river valleys between the mountain ranges provide a mosaic of cropland and deciduous parklands. The rare woodland caribou.
நம்ம யாதும் கலை வீடியோ தொடர்ந்து வர லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள், பெல் பட்டனை ப்ரெஸ் பண்ணுங்கள். இன்னைக்கு